We will play some tank mastery this game, guys. And we will start with the Titanic Hydra. Because Titanic Hydra gives us attack damage when we build HP. Alright. And sisimula tayo sa red buff natin. And we are patting towards the dragon lane. Alright. Let's smite this chicken and then alpha strike that. Then lalakad na tayo sa ating wolf. Okay, mid ano siya, no? Nag-mid pike siya, man. Tignan natin kung meron pa dito. Scatter, most likely meron pa ito. Nasa baba si Nautilus, nandito siya. Nice, Viego. 2-0 na, 2-1 na si Viego. We got the Miss Cutler. Tingnan tayo mga ganda. Magpa-flash siya sa pader. Alright, we got the kill there. Nakita niyo yung healing ng Grass of Undying. So, makakto pa, pre. Okay, we got 2-1 there. Maganda na yung early game natin. Makakabili tayo ng Titanic Hydra ng mas maaga. I think nandun na nga. Sinasabi ko na nga. Nandun si Nautilus. By the way, hindi rin naman siya makaka-survive doon. Alright. Ganda na nung position ng minions. Aabutan naman yata ni Viego yan. Kung hindi man pwede naman akong bumaka para sa minions ni Viego. So, pwede nyo gawin ito, no? Kapag kayo ay mastery. Para na maganda yung lane ng iyong kakampi. Just do that. Right? Tapos baback up tayo sa kanya, syempre. Dito na tayo eh. Ooh, that is very nice, boys. Dalawa sila, gagi, ang galing. Masyado ko na nang masaya, Aaron. Sayang. Oo nga eh. Pero masaya na ako doon, naka 2 kills ako sa top side. Tanky, yes, may katanky tayo. Yan na, mabibili natin yung ating first item, which is yung Titanic Hydra. Again, this item is very good kung gusto nyo mag-tank mastery. Maganda siyang unahin din. It gives you it gives you decent amount of attack damage while also building a lot of HP items. So as you can see, no, yung ating items is puro HP. HP based items. The reason why is para lumaki rin yung attack damage natin. Kasi kailangan natin ng attack damage for scaling, no? Tapos mag-i-scale pa yung attack damage kapag nag-i-scale din itong Heartsteel, kasi kapag nag-i-scale yung Heartsteel, madadagdagan tayo ng HP. Pag madadagdagan tayo ng HP, madadagdagan tayo ng attack damage dahil sa Titanic Hydra. So yeah, basically that is the logic there. Let's go here sa ating dragon. I hope marami pumunta. Gulat sila sa damage. Kunat balods. Okay lang. Wala na akong smite pala. I should be more careful with that. With your heart. Oh my goodness. The flash. The flashes, bruh. We got her flash. That's totally fine. And I guess, pwede nilang masira itong tore. I don't know. Marami pang plates eh. Mayroon pa silang sirain to. Mali lang talaga yung ano ko dun, sa dragon. Ang pwede kong gawin dun, patayin ko muna si Nautilus, no? I thought talaga napatay na si Nautilus, kaya ako nag-dragon. I should be more careful with that, brother. So, okay ba yan, Lods? Paano attack speed mo, Lods? Ultimate lang, attack speed natin, tsaka attack speed boots. Yes. Sino ba nandito? Nautilus lang. Alright, that is very nicely executed over there. Alright. We're doing good, guys. Pwede itong maging YouTube video. Okay, uwi tayo ngayon. Uwi tayo ngayon. Malayo pa naman nung ano. Kailangan ko pa ng 1,000 gold for 4 Sunfire Aegis. So, uwi muna tayo, then let's farm. Let's continue farming lang. Okay, sana yung Triforce, no? Kaso nga lang, ang baba ng HP ng Triforce. I'm dead. Wait lang, guys.
Enemy killing spree.
Yeah, pwede rin naman Triforce, no? Pwede rin. But I'm not gonna be building Triforce this game. Ano tayo? Full tank tayo. Full tank. Okay, back tayo. Bili tayo ng Sunfire, no? Masunugin natin yung mga kalaban, pre. May laban na nangyayari sa gitna. I should be present there. Uy, patay na si Lux. Kailangan natin si Lux pa naman. Shit. Delikado na naman yung dragon natin. Wala pa ako nakukuha ang dragon ni isa. Dito naman si Viego. I guess we can fight. Wala na ako HP nga lang. Kuha na naman nila yung dragon. Mali, men. May damage pa rin kahit full tank build. Yes, meron. Gawa nga nung, gawa nitong Titanic Hydra. Gain AD equal to 15 plus 2.5% bonus HP. So, we can gain AD while we are building HP. We have now 168 attack damage. Our additional attack damage is 89 na. 89 attack damage. I believe pag complete build na ako dito, aabot to ng mga 300 attack damage, no? Then we are very tanky at the same time. Mamayang late game. Yeah, decent damage. Okay, okay naman siya, no? Nakakapalag kami kasi meron kaming frontliner. Nasasabayan ako ni Viego, no? Pero kung walang tank dito, for sure takot tong Viego papasok. I will just flash here, bro. Okay lang. Tabano Sion pala, no? 13k na si Sion, pre. Totoo ba? Maganda ba yung tanky sa Aero? Grabe, nakakasar. Wala tayong objective ni isa, pre. Patay, oh. Yeah.
Shut down.
Do not let your pride blind you.
Ally slain. Enemy slain. Double kill. Enemy slain.
A true master.
Ally slain. Kill.
Laro tayong Heartsteel, oh. Medyo may burst na tayo. Ito lang talaga yung pinaka pang burst natin, sa kalaban yung Heartsteel.
One kind of men. I will show you the path.
Okay, back naman tayo ngayon. Bili tayo ng Heartsteel. Check natin yung attack damage natin. We have 182 attack damage. Pag binili natin yung Heartsteel and giant belt, we have now 207 attack damage. So, nagbigay siya ng, I think, additional 30. No? Gawa nga yun ng Titanic Hydra. Medyo marami lang palya sa ating playstyle. I should be more careful. Nahuhuli tayo sa baba.
Doubt is the greatest enemy. One kind of men.
After this, let's go back. Hindi na siguro muna. Kailangan ko i-shove tong top side, pre.
Do not let
Kasi
your
mabubuhay na yung dragon.
blind you.
Hindi, wala na nababasa to.
Turret lost. Enemy slain. Ally.
Wala natin yung focus sa dragon, pre. Mabubuhay na.
Form before
Got the kill there.
You have slain an enemy.
Ayoko kay Sion. Napakakunat niyan. Hindi ko matutunan yung sa Sion, eh. Gusto na naman si Sion, Patay na si Sion. Ay, si Nautilus. Probably we can get on the dragon. Sino pang buhay? Si Veer. Alright. Uy, yung dragon, pre. Anong lagay? We got the dragon. Alright. Gagi, penta.
Quadra kill.
Naku, patay.
Unstoppable. Ally slain.
Talo na kami, pre.
Aced.
Hmm. Okay lang na, pero na-secure namin yung dragon kasong kapalit. Ubus yung ano namin. Tore.
Turret lost. Turret lost. Turret lost.
True master is an eternal.
Turret lost.
Gagi, boss. Nasa baron sila.
Defend yourself. Did you miss it?
Let's go back now, guys. Meron pala akong ano, no?
Form before strength. Defend yourself. Did you miss it?
Meron pala akong Warmogs. Uy, meron ng Elder Dragon. Bili nga muna ako ng item na to. Kung nakamabuhay ng matagal sa laban.
Do not let your pride
G.
blind you.
Di ako nakakapag-type. Come on, man. Nandun na sila lahat, pre. Kaya meron naman akong stone plate. Masyado pa tayo maraming buhay. Alright. Okay, we shot down that guy. Ooh, cheer me up, guys. Cheer me up. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, lumilipad si Master Ripri. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I solo carried that fight, brother. Whew, we got the Elder Dragon. Grabe tulong na stone plate ani. Yeah. This might be a good YouTube video. Ay, back tayo, pre. Back po. Putang ina niyo pag di kayo back. Back please. Back po. Wala kayong tank dyan. Tank dyan. Oh my goodness. Okay, tuloy lang natin to. Si Shabol, man. O boss. Naka 400 stocks na tayo sa hardstyle natin, ha. Makakatulong tayo nito ngayon sa ano. G Baron. May Elder tayo. Oyats. May Elder Oyats. They got the kill because we got the Elder Dragon. Basically, I am the one that is carrying this game, you know. Isipin nyo, wala tayo. Hindi tayo makapag-Elder, di ba? Nakulit to masyado si Buddy. Bang! Bang! Ano? Anong tawag? Anong gagawin na? Baron or end. Come on. Let's do this, bro. Oh my goodness. Sige. Jin. Come on, Jin. Jin BR, man. Let's do the Baron. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Yes, we can, I guess we're most likely gonna win this game, you know. We got the Baron, we got the Elder. We are very strong now. I can dive any champions here. I believe. Fuck you! sorry. Wala na ba na tayo sa TikTok?
Enemy turret.
Okay. End na tayo. Grabe naman iyon. Oh my goodness, man.
Victory.
Grabe. English. Delikado si English. Nagpa... Delikado sa nag-English nagpapanalo. Nice D, man. Grabe. And that's how you play Tank Mastery in Wild Rift.